Hey,
Hey, how's it going?
it's going good. How are you doing?
Good.
That's good.
And then Nikki's not coming. She's not in our group today, right?
Yeah, she's not here right now. She's not in the group.
Okay. Um, so we should get started. I got 100% on my quiz.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
So I'm excited. So yeah, I get it if you need help with stuff.
Okay, sweet. I'm gonna get to it real quick.
Okay.
Almost there. So, did it take you a long time to finish the quiz?
No, I did it in an hour.
Okay, that's not bad.
Wasn't bad. Did you have questions on it, or
Uh, what was that?
how did you do on it?
I missed 3.
Oh, nice. There you go. That's not bad.
So,
Only 3 questions.
yeah.
Cool. Okay. So which one did you have questions on?
So, on 5,
Okay.
6, and 7. The other ones I got.
This is fine. Okay. Okay. Let's see if I have this written down.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so it looks like for 5, you're just trying to find the value of t. And so you're gonna use that formula, just like the x bar minus t over um, that weird s symbol divided
Uh-huh.
divided by the square root of n. So it's kind of like the z-score formula, but it's the t one. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Okay. Let's write
And
that.
so what it's going to be is the x bar is 11. I think they give that to you. Let's see. Yeah, so x bar is 11. So 11 minus 8.
Uh-huh.
8 is
It's 3.
the 8 is going to be the t that they give you, or whatever, because that's the hypothesis.
Uh-huh.
You over 6, because 6 was the s one they give you.
So divided by 6. Yeah.
Yeah, divided by the 6 divided by the square root of 9. And then you just do that out, and just do that and see if you get the same one as me.
So I don't have square root on my phone. So
Okay.
that's
The square root of 9 is 3. Oh, wait.
okay.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Is it? Let me see.
Square root of 9.
Yeah, 1
3,
second.
6. Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, it's 3.
It's 3. Would that be like 0.16?
No.
Oh, wait, let me see. 6 divided by, or 2.
So the answer?
Because I put 6 divided by the square root of 3.
So it's the square root of 9, and that equals 3. So the bottom half is going to be 6 divided by 3, which is 2.
Yeah.
And the top part of it is 11 minus 8, which is 3. So it's going to be 3 over 2, which equals 1.5.
Okay, yeah.
So
That's the.
you don't square root 3, you just leave it.
I just leave it like that, so it's square root of 9, and that goes to 3.
Yeah.
And so then it's 2 divided by, or 3 divided by 2, and that gives us 1.5.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it now.
Yeah, there you go.
And I was kind of confused on like the information on 6 with all these numbers and everything. I was a little confused on that. Let's use the following, copy and paste. No hypothesis.
So what you're gonna need to do is in like the book, you know how they have like the data files. You have to go and click on the body temp
Okay.
data file, and then you're gonna copy and paste the first. I think it's like the first 21. It's not all the numbers in that data file, but it's whatever they show you. So it goes from the 98 to the 98.2. And then you're gonna put that. I think you put it in the quantitative inference procedures. So it's not the quantitative descriptive procedures. That's one we've been using. So you're gonna have to pull up 2 different Excel files. The one for the body temp, and then the other one is called quantitative inference.
Yeah. Okay.
And so then you copy and paste those numbers from the body temp data file, and then you put them in that left column for the quantitative one. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'll do it too.
What was that?
I'll do it with you right now too, just to see if I can get something.
This is C.
Yeah. Okay, so were you able to copy and paste those in there?
Yeah, I'm trying to. Yeah. Okay. Did you get it already?
Not yet. I was just waiting for you to see if you were there.
I'm trying to get there. Oh no, like these things always confuse me. Like using the Excel.
Yeah. Well, if you got the other questions right, did you use this to get the other questions?
So the other questions, I got help from a tutor too, a
Oh,
little
gotcha.
bit, and I forgot like exactly the way they taught me how to do it.
Okay, so did you pull up at least the quantitative incidence procedures? Did you pull that one up yet?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have that open, and then do you have open the body temp data file?
Body temp.
Yeah. The book, just go to data files, and then you'll scroll down and find body temp. It's just in alphabetical order.
Okay.
Are you seeing it yet?
I'm kind of confused.
Okay, where are you at right now?
I'm trying to get to that spot you were talking about.
Okay,
So
do you have your book loaded up, like the online book?
yeah, I've used it a lot. I'm just like
Okay, so if you're there on the left-hand column, there's going to say main page, schedule, data files. You see that?
not yet. Wait, let me see if I can get nope, I don't see it.
Let's see. What does your page look like?
So I'm right in front. So I'm like where the let me see. So like
What does it
what was that?
What does it say on the page? Like,
It just says like syllabus, like it just like shows like where like the book would be, but
oh, you're not on the book yet?
no, not yet, because I was like
Okay,
focused on the other.
yeah, just open up the iLearn and then go to like the individual prep, and they always have the book on there. It'll say lesson 11 in the online textbook for the individual prep for lesson 11.
Yeah, so week 11.
Yeah. So week 11, then
And
go
then
to
online.
prep, and then it'll say lesson 11 in the online textbook.
Right, lesson 11. It says W11 questions and conversations overview.
Did you go to the individual prep section?
Getting there. Individual prep. Wait. Because I'm on week 11, and it doesn't say anything about individual prep. It just says lesson 6, lesson 7. Oh wait, no, that's further down. I'm at week 11.
Yeah, go to lesson 11.
It says lesson 11. So I'm going up. So it's because it's like week 6 right now. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, not week, but lesson.
Yeah, lesson. All right, so I got that. Okay.
Okay, so you went to individual prep?
Yep.
Okay, so it's going to say lesson 11 in the online textbook.
Okay.
Yeah, click on there. And then on the left-hand column, there's going to say main page schedule and data files, and then click data files.
All right. I am here.
And then you're going to scroll down. Well, it's actually just right there. It says body temperatures. And click on that one and upload that.
All right. So you said body temperatures?
Yeah, so body temp XLSX. Let's double click on that and download it.
All right.
So yeah, when the questions ask, like, say to go and use your software or to use a certain data file, you have to go here and upload it first.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, so I'll start doing that then.
No, yeah, and so you'll have to upload this, and then you'll either have to use the quantitative inference procedure or the quantitative descriptive statistics file. Do you have one of those up yet?
Where was the other file again?
So for this one, let me see if you can scroll down. All right, I'm just trying to find it. Okay, so here's how you do it. Go to main page on your book.
Uh-huh.
And I would write this stuff down.
Yeah, because I was gonna like write a lot of it down and like do it maybe like later too, and so I can get the first person how to do it.
Yeah. And so write down quantitative inference program or whatever it's called. But
Okay.
so that's what you're for. And so go to your main page and then click on course resources. Do you see that?
So that's my main page, and so the main page in iLearn.
Nope, you're on your book.
Okay. So. Yep. I'm here.
And then click on course resources. See that?
Course resources?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, like I'm on the same page as I was where it says body temp.
So go to, on the left column, click on main page.
Okay, yep, I see it.
Yeah.
And then, what did you say? Course resource?
Course resources. It should be the top blue section.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then go to Excel tools.
All right.
And that's where you either find your quantitative descriptive statistics or your quantitative inference procedures. And we're going to use the inference procedures right now.
Sweet.
So click on that and download it.
Awesome.
All right. So you need to go to your body temp Excel file. And then you're going to click on the, you're going to click and highlight from 98 to, what's it? 98.2. So it's like 21 numbers that you're going to highlight.
Okay. So I'm all the way down to 98.2.
Yeah, so yeah.
Sweet. And then what do I do after?
And then you copy it. And then you're going to paste that into the quantitative inference procedures right under the column that says variable 1. Just click on that and press paste.
Let me get you real quick. I have so many tabs open. All right.
There, you did it?
Okay, so what I downloaded to right below 18. What do I paste it to?
You paste it under, on the left hand side it says variable 1. And then
Under 18.
No, it starts on 5. What do you mean 18? Are there other numbers?
Yeah, there's already numbers there, so it says 5, 10, 15, 20, 15, 18.
Yeah, delete those. Just delete those numbers, the ones that were there to start with. And then paste the new numbers on there.
Do you want me to delete the 5 too?
Huh?
Did you want me to delete the 5?
Just delete any numbers that are in that column. Yeah.
Sweet. And then paste it?
Yeah, paste the 98 to the 98.2.
I had to get back over here and copy it. Paste. Copy it. Paste. All right.
All right, you got them in there?
Yep, it's all on there.
Okay, cool. So, in the question, it tells us to make the null hypothesis 98.6. Remember that? It said.
So you said 98.6.
Yeah, in the question, it says, let me go to the question again. So before it gives you all numbers, it says, use the following values that were pulled from the data file body temp. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis of equaling 98.6 and the alternative 98.6, less than 98.6. And so in your file,
Yep.
there's going to be a box that says confidence level, and under that it says null hypothesis. You see that?
In the box?
Yeah.
Where it says like under summary statistics, wait. Variable 1, variable 2.
So it's the top two boxes. So the second box. There's confidence level, and then it says null hypothesis. You see that?
So I'm on that same page we were just at, where it says one simple t-test for means.
Yeah.
And the top two boxes, see, like it says summary statistics, and it says mean and standard deviation and n. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
it says it right underneath that. Okay, I see it now.
So for the null hypothesis, change it to the 98.6.
So 98.6.
Yeah. You do that?
Yep.
Okay, so back to the question. It says the alternative hypothesis is less than 98.6. Because it has that little symbol, the U or whatever it's called, and it's less than 98.6. So we're gonna make sure in the box it says type of test and it says less than, so you don't have to change it. But if the little arrow thing was pointing the other way, we would have to change it to greater than. But it's fine now.
Okay, that makes sense.
And so this question, so this one is asking for what is X bar? And so the X bar means the mean. So it's going to be just the 98.22 is going to be the answer. So pretty much once you put it all in the Excel thing, it'll just give you all the answers for it. You just have to put it in.
Really? Because so like from that we put 98.22 for the mean, and it's asking for the X bar.
So
and that is the mean.
That's what X bar means.
It's the mean. And so it's 98.22. And like even in the other questions, it's asking for like just to plug in the answers and it'll just give it to you.
Yeah, pretty much. And so the next one is what is S? And then I had to look that up. The S equals the sample standard deviation.
Uh-huh.
That's what S means. And so in the thing, let's see. So it's 0.922. So that's what the standard deviation would give us.
0.922 for the standard deviation of that one.
Yeah, so that's question 7. So S equals the standard deviation for the sample.
Okay.
For 8, what is the t-score? So we just have to go down to that very last box. It says variable 1, and it says t, and it has a negative 1.843, and that's the t-score.
Yeah, negative 1.843.
Yeah. That's 8.
Yeah, so it like literally like tells you on the very bottom.
Yeah, so with the Excel is nice because once you put it in right, then it just gives you all the answers.
Yeah, it does. That's cool.
Yeah.
And then like the p-value. Same.
Yeah, so find the p-value.
That's good too.
Did you find that one?
All right, so I just had to, because I don't have to click in any numbers. It's just like, so I scroll down, you said?
Yeah, so it's already.
So it says 1.282.
For what?
Am I? Yeah, for the p-value.
It says what?
1.282.
That's not right.
Oh, it's not?
Did you change anything?
I didn't. I'm gonna go because it's in that same little slide as the mean, standard deviation, and everything like that, right?
Yeah.
So because it says I was under one sample test, it says p-value, and it says 1.282.
Okay, so let's see what's wrong. So then let's just look on the numbers on the side. Does it go from 98 to 98.2? All those numbers?
Yes, it goes up to 98 to 98.2.
What is the confidence level that you have down?
The confidence level is 98.6.
No, so that's the null hypothesis.
Right. Okay, let me change that real quick. So 98.6 for the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
0.6, and then 86 is the confidence level.
The confidence level is 0.95.
Yeah, and that would give us 0.959 for the p-value.
That's still not right.
Oh.
You have, okay, just read out the rest. What do you have for a type of test?
So type of test, I put greater than?
It's less than.
Okay.
Remember?
Yeah, that's right. Are you saying that? Okay, now I got 0.040.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
So you have to just make sure you change those while you go so they're the right thing.
Yeah, because like if I mess up on one little thing on top, like one of these boxes, like everything's out of order.
Yep. Okay, so yeah, the 0.040.
Awesome.
Okay, and so since the p-value is really small, and this is, I had to learn this. Okay, so at the top it says what the hypotheses are, and then it has the level of significance. You see that on the question?
What question was it again? Sorry about that.
The information for the questions we've been using. So it's just at the top part.
Yeah, okay, I see it.
So what is the level of significance?
The level of significance?
Yeah.
It's
on your question. It's not in the book. I mean, yeah, it's not in like your thing.
It's not in like any of the book or anything, just the question.
Yeah, just a question. It tells you.
Is it like a specific question? Like
no, it's just information for the last questions we've been doing. So on the top it says information, and it gives you like the numbers.
Okay, yeah, okay, I get that now. Okay, yeah, so the level of significance, it's right with the numbers. It is. It's 0.05.
Yeah. All right, so that's a level of significance. And so for the question that we did, just barely, so it said, what's the p-value? And our p-value is 0.04. And so that is less than the 0.05. And so that means we rejected it.
Reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah, so it's reject the null hypothesis. Does that make sense? So it'll give you the p-value or whatever. The p-value is less than that. the A or whatever they give you,
Mm-hmm.
then you would fail. And if it's not, then you fail.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I've never really like thought about it that way. Like, I feel like it's a lot easier like going through every single step. But when I was like first doing it, I was really confused. Like I didn't really use Excel because I was kind of like super confused on how to do this.
Yeah, it was confusing.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you think you understand how to do, like, I mean, if you got those other ones right because you have a tutor, but would you be able to do 11 and 12 by yourself, you think?
Yeah.
13. So yeah, you're just going to be doing the same thing we did, but you'll use a different data file. So this one is using the data file of the baby boom data file. But that's the information you'll use. You have to put it in there the same way.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It makes a lot more sense. I would know how to do these.
Yeah, it's nice when you give you answers.
Uh-huh.
Okay, did you have any other questions?
Oh, let me see that. Oh yeah, so just on oh, never mind. I got that right. Okay, yeah, no more questions
Okay.
for me.
And so right now for you, I would write down quantitative invariance. Let's see what's it called exactly. So write this down so you can know where to get it.
Okay, yeah.
Right, quantitative inference procedures, because you'll forget, because I always forget, so I had to write it down.
Okay, so what was it again? Quantitative
Inference procedures. It's on the top of that file we were using. So I would write that down, and then just kind of write down how you get to it. So you have to go to your book, and then you have to go to, what was it, the main page. So it's right, book, main page, course resources, and then Excel tools, and that's how you get to it.
What was the last one you said?
So you go to your book, you go to main page,
Course main sources,
course resources, and then Excel tools.
Sweet.
So yeah, just if you know how to do that and get on there, then it should be good.
Awesome.
Okay.
Sounds good. That's all I have for today.
Okay, cool. Have a good one.
You too. So I'll see you guys on Monday.
Yep, yeah.
Awesome. See ya.